Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra pricing and the trade-in values, the official trade-in values, if you trade in a phone to upgrade to the S25, like trading in your old Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So we do have some official figures for the trade-in and some ballpark figures for the actual pricing of the phone. So let's dive in and see exactly what is going on. I'm going to give you guys all the details with a full breakdown. And again, this is official. It is actually posted on their website. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to reserve the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The link for that is down below. Click that link and follow the instructions. Alright, so once you click the link, you are going to be at this website. Now the pricing information that I'm going to give you guys is all tied into this reservation. So that's why you want to reserve to get the pricing Samsung has posted. You can see 2 days left, a chance to win $5,000, that's the giveaway, $50 Samsung credit, and this is what we're going to break down, up to $1,250 in savings. That's exactly what we're going to break down. We know what that is. Now scroll down, put your name, last name, email, and then click over here in this checkbox if you want to enter the giveaway for $5,000. And then answer 2 questions. Click on the blue reserve button, all right? And look at this. If I go down, it says, what device do you plan to trade in? You can enter this here, but let's move on and talk about the actual trade-in value. All right, now that the reservation is complete, here's what's going on. And this is official from Samsung. So first and foremost, the pricing, this is not official. This is going to be my educated guess. I mentioned this a couple weeks ago. I do not anticipate the prices changing. And if they do go up, it's going to be a nominal figure. So we're going to assume that the S25 Ultra is in fact $1,200 for the 256 gigabyte model. That is just like the S24 Ultra. Now when it comes to trade-in, there is a post from Samsung in which they were talking about their Unpacked event. And in that post, they specifically mentioned the $50 credit that you're going to get after you reserve the phone. And of course, the $5,000 gift card that you're going to be entered to win just for reserving. But then they're also saying, plus receive up to an additional $900 credit when you trade in an eligible smartphone. Now, up to means the maximum amount. That's $900 trade-in value. And most likely, in fact, it's almost guaranteed that's going to be for the S24 Ultra. So they will be giving you $900 for the S24 Ultra trade-in value. So right off the bat, the price of the S25 Ultra, if you trade in the S24, is only $400. And again, if you have reserved using the link down below, you're going to get an additional $50 off. So now you're looking at $350 for the S25 Ultra. But that's not everything. Samsung also mentions that you are going to get an additional $300 instant credit for a total of up to $1,250. Okay? So $900 for the trade-in, $50 for the instant credit, and $300 Samsung instant credit. Now that instant credit, most likely you're going to be able to use towards Samsung Galaxy accessories or other Samsung products. So you can probably buy cases, power banks, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds, or whatever. So you're going to be able to apply that $300 towards other accessories. And that's why reserving is so important, because you're going to get locked in to get all these deals. But thanks to this official post from Samsung, we at least know that for S24 Ultra, you are going to get up to $900. Now, what if you have an S23 or S22? The numbers are still going to be handsome, but we don't know the exact number. So most likely for the S23, it might be $800. And then for the S22, it might be $700 or $750. So at least you get a ballpark idea of how much you can save. But that's basically the information I wanted to give you guys really quickly. I know a lot of people are wondering. So when Samsung says you're going to be saving $1,250, that's what they mean. $900 maximum trade-in value, $50 reserve credit, and $300 instant Samsung credit, which becomes $1,250. So make sure to reserve, get that done. The links are going to be down below. And if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below as well. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.